Hey guys, welcome back to Heavy Lies the Hype. This video is entitled Supreme Fall Winter 20 Tee Collection. Before anything, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit that notification bell so you know every time I post and upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram and don't forget to enter my giveaway. It's free to enter and I'll leave the rules in the description. Let's get it. Alright, we gonna start with the first tee. If you guys didn't see my last couple videos back then, I made a review for these cross box logo tee that dropped fall winter 20. I caught it in the white colorway here, guys. You guys can see that right there. Let's get it on to the next one. This one's the Mariah Carey tee. I caught this also in the white colorway. If you guys don't see a pattern, I only have the white tees on deck right now. The next one is the Ultra Fresh tee. Also caught it in the white colorway. Guys, my size is a medium. If you guys don't know, I rock a medium. Anyone else out there rock a medium? Let me know in the comments. I'd like to know, guys. Alright, that's the Ultra Fresh. The next one, guys, this is the Yohji Yamamoto This Was Tomorrow tee. And if you guys are keeping up with my videos, this tee is the tee for the giveaway. Alright, so don't forget to enter that. Next is the Scratch tee. Alright, who caught this tee? I was contemplating on whether to caught this. I didn't know. It was sitting there. I like the white colorway, so you know what? Just put it in the bag, man. That's what we do. Tag it and bag it. Alright, that is the Scratch tee for the fall winter 20. The next one is the Nova York tee for Supreme. I don't know if you guys ever heard about Nova York. I've only been rocking Supreme a couple years. I don't know, but that's the Nova York tee. The last white tee I caught for the fall winter is this Futura logo tee in the white colorway. Okay guys, the print is black and it was the white. This one was selling out fast. I tried to put the black one in the bag, but sold out, so hit with the white. Alright, let me show you guys some behind the scenes right now of me pulling out the color tees right now that I caught. Alright, let's get it. The first one is the Crossbox logo tee, guys, and this one is in the black colorway. I caught both black and white, both in medium size, and it's super clean, if you could see right there. The next tee we got is this Yohji Yamamoto Game Over tee. This also dropped with the This Was Tomorrow tee. Those tees are the collaboration with Yohji Yamamoto, and that Game Over was the bomb. Next one, Lovers tee. I got this tee in the ash gray, size medium. I love the print. And yeah, man. Alright, next one is the Koyaanisqatsi tee, or however you guys want to pronounce that word. I don't know. Let me know how you pronounce it. I got this in the pale yellow. Pale yellow. Looks super nice, super clean. You can rock it with blue jeans. And yeah, kind of got that Bruce Lee feel, you know what I mean? Next, we got this Finest tee. But on the Supreme website, it was labeled Classic tee. That's why. And this was the colorway, the pine green. I got it in medium. Pine green with the gold writing on it. It looked fresh, it looked classic, clean. Last tee here I got is the Supreme Clientele tee. This is that Ghostface Killer tee right here, man. I got this in the black colorway. It's super clean. trying to get the black colorway. I got that on the restock. Next, I got the woven label long sleeve top in the rust colorway. I also got the Stone Island Supreme tee, and I got the Smurfs tee. These 3 tees I be rocking on body, you know what I mean? I don't keep everything in bags, plastic bags, you know what I mean? This is what I do. Gotta have Supreme on the body, guys. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment. Tell me which t-shirt was your favorite. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll check you guys on the next one. Peace.